The BJP has further mounted its attack on the Congress with the admission that has come in from the Congress MP no less, saying that this is a big slap on the face of the Congress.
Every individual, to sooner rather than later, understands that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's diplomacy is in the interest of the country, and every step that Prime Minister Narendra Modi takes is in the interest of the country. Shashi Tharoor's latest statement is a big slap on the face of Rahul Gandhi and the entire India alliance, which does not have the wisdom or the mental capability to understand nation-first diplomacy of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This also tells you that every person, whether it is Jaya Bachchan or Shashi Tharoor, दबी आवाज में हर व्यक्ति ये कहता है, मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, राहुल है तो नामुमकिन है.
Well, Pradeep and Sabyasachi, both of them joining us live right now. Well, Pradeep, what is your understanding? Because Shashi Tharoor conceding that India's balanced diplomacy has placed Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a position where he can engage both with Russia and Ukraine without any hostility, and at the same time, what does it mean?
Yes, a very strong statement coming from Shashi Tharoor, senior Congress leader and member parliament from Trivandrum. His candid admission and he has shown a magnanimity that he had committed a mistake that time by criticizing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's foreign policy during Russia-Ukraine war. And today he said that he stands completely exposed because it's an egg on his face, which he's completely trying to wipe out. Because reason is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had taken a good stand, because that time I still remember, Amitav, I was in Ukraine when the war was going on. Prime Minister Narendra Modi made it clear that the only policy that's really going to work for the two countries is that they should opt for the dialogue instead of dispute. They should go for, instead of confrontation, they should opt for the cooperation, because that is going to be the best policy. Because he said the war is not going to be any solution. And not only that, in fact, the West also criticized India that why India is taking oil and natural gas from Russia. And that time also External Affairs Minister has made it clear that what is going to be best for the country, they are going to follow that, because it is India first and the nation first policy. The way United States has got the US first policy, the same way they will follow something what that is going to suit them. So it suits them because they have got, they are getting the oil and natural gas at the cheaper rate. So why not to get it from the Russia rather than from any other country and any other source? So they made the policy clear. And he said, Shashi Tharoor, today after 3 years he is realizing his mistake, because now Narendra Modi can today even hug Zelensky, he can even hug Putin, and he can play a very important role, because he went on to the extent of saying that because Russia is opposed to any kind of a peace builder, he said that India can offer the peace building role at this stage where peace builders can go from this side if the European peace builders are not acceptable to Russia, so that the war can stop. So India's stand remains clear. So whosoever,
well, that says a lot as far as when it comes to India's position and stand has been on foreign affairs with the ongoing conflict in the last 3 years that has been witnessed. India's stand is not neutral. India's stand is of peace and of dialogue. As